Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video we discuss on car insurance. What is car insurance? In this video we discuss on some points. First of all, what is car insurance? Car insurance is a type of insurance policies that provide financial protection to vehicles owners against losses resulting from traffic accidents, injuries, deaths and other unforeseen events. It helps cover medical expenses, property damage, and legal liability for damages caused to other in accidents. Additionally, it can also provide coverage for stolen vehicles, vandalism, natural disasters, and personal belongings carried inside the vehicles. The premium paid by the policyholder are shared among all the participants in the pool, which make the cost more manageable for each individual. The purpose of car insurance is to protect the both of the drivers and passengers from financial losses due to unexpected events that may occur during driving. By purchasing car, individuals can rest assured that can help be financial protect if they get into an accident, regardless of who was at fault. This allows them to protect on their safety behind the wheel without worrying about the potential consequence of an accident. Types of car insurance. Liability insurance. This type of insurance covers damage to other people's or property if you found to be at fault in an accident. It usually requires you to pay a deductible before the insurers will pay out claims. Collisions insurance. This type of insurance covers damages to your own vehicle if you are involved in accident, regardless of who is at fault. It only pay out of if the damage exceeded the depressed value of your vehicle. Comprehensive insurance. This type of insurance covers damage to your vehicles from non-collision source such as theft, vandalism, or weather events like hail or floods. Personal injury protection (PIP) insurance. This type of insurance covers medical expenses and lost wages from yourself and your passenger if you are injured in an accident, regardless of who is at fault. Underinsured motorist insurance. This type of insurance covers damage to your vehicle, personal injuries if you are involved in an accident with a driver who does not have equated insurance and uninsured. How much car insurance do I need? The cost of replacing your vehicle if you were to total your car is would need throw money to buy another one. Take the current market value of your car and multiply it by 3 or 4 times to find out approximately how much you will need. For example, if the car is worth $10,000, you might carry it $30,000 or $40,000 in coverage. Medical expenses. If you would end on owning thousands of dollars in medical bills if you have any riding with your gets hurt in an accident, make sure you have enough coverage to cover these costs. A good rule of thumb is carry at least $1 million in personal injury protection. Property damage. Even if you aren't at fault, you will still face expensive repair if you hit another car or object. Check your policy limit to see if they match what you owe on your loan or lease-based agreement. If not, increased your limit accordingly. In addition, the two factors keep in mind and may state require drivers to carry quotations levels of insurance. These minimum often range from $10,000 to $50,000 per person for bodily injury and $15,000 to $50,000 for property damage. Benefits of car insurance. Financial protection. Car insurance provides financial protection in case of an accident or theft or damage to your vehicle. It helps cover the cost of repair, medical expenses, and other related expenses. Legal protection. Car insurance can provide legal protection in the case of accident, ensuring through you have proper vehicle to defend yourself in court. Thank you so much for watching the video.